This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Hashtag Go.
This is Go MMT Radio and I'm back with a new show on a Monday. This is where we welcome a new member into the Tripper family. V. Praveen Kumar, Hotel Supply Department based out of Bangalore. Praveen, it is so nice to have you on the show and now in the Tripper family. A warm welcome.
Thank you so much for the warm welcome. Very happy to be here.
Praveen, how many months since you joined MMT now?
So it's been almost 2.5 months now. Very grateful for this opportunity and going good as of now in Bangalore.
Are you from Bangalore?
Basically, I'm from Chittoor. It is beside Tirupati in Andhra, but it is very near to my hometown. So I'm in Bangalore.
So now how is the weather in Bangalore? Better than Andhra? Better than Tirupati?
Yeah, always Bangalore. If you want sun, there will be sun. If you want rain, there will be rain. If you want. So Bangalore weather is the best weather to be always. Only that apart from traffic, everything is fine here.
I know the traffic. Back in Andhra, or even for that matter, Tirupati, despite the fact that it's such a busy tourist place, traffic is well managed back there?
Yes. So actually, before it was not managed well, but due to this, all the infrastructure development that we are getting from the new government, so it is now managed well. And because it is a tourist place, so every time it is a seasonality, the roads are broader now, the more highways. So traffic is really managed in Tirupati. Hope it will be happening in Bangalore.
The number of people that are moving to Bangalore are migrating to live in Bangalore are too many, which is not the case back in Tirupati. So I think, which is why it's going to be tougher.
हंसा, बिल अपलोड करने का टाइम मिला क्या?
डायग्नोस्टिक्स और फार्मेसी दोनों के लिए नो कैपिंग. अगर वॉलेट में 5,000 रुपए हैं तो पूरा 5,000 तक का खर्चा अलाउड है. कर लो जल्दी. रीइंबर्समेंट विंडो खुला है सिर्फ 1 अगस्त से 31 अगस्त तक.
Sounds like a project deadline. मिस नहीं करना.
जेटली अलाइव ऐप खोलो, बिल अपलोड करो और पैसा वापस लो.
पीपीटी और चैट जीपीटी में फर्क समझ नहीं आता?
छोटी बच्ची हो क्या? Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Hashtag Go.
Go MMT Radio. I'm in conversation with Praveen Kumar from Hotel Supply Department based out of Bangalore. Now the first game that we're going to play, the 12-second game. Are you ready for it?
Yes, absolutely. I'm ready for it.
One word, 12 seconds. Whatever other words come into your head when I say that one word, you've got to rattle it out fast because 12 seconds really goes away very quickly, okay? I'm going to say the word and then hit start on the stopwatch. You've got to tell me as soon as you can. The first word is sky. Sky. And your time starts now.
Rainbow, clouds, sun, moon,
Very nice.
a dark sky, rain. I'm getting weather or Fahrenheit.
And your time's up.
Celsius.
I give you extra, I think, but you've managed. I'll give you that extra one also, which went up to 13 seconds, which is 8 words you've given me. That's very good, Praveen. I think you can be faster. Yeah, let's see. Now, in the next 12 seconds, the trick is actually, when I give you the word, it gets a little difficult because you have to really think and you have to think fast. Okay?
Yes, exactly.
The second word is robot. And your time starts now.
Robot, Chitty Robot 2.0 movie. Robot fight, ants, robot, industrial robots, mechanic robots, artificial robot, robots in hotel.
And your
there are
time's
Delta
up.
robots, there are scanner robots.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god. You have given me around 7 words. There was a little bit of a pause because you had to think robot, you know what I mean? But you did give me, there were two words you gave me, but I have taken them as one because it's a one word game. But lovely, you've still managed 7 words. That is a good record to hold. Okay, we've got one more word to go, okay?
Sure.
And the last word is pen. The word is pen and your time starts now.
Parker, ballpoint pen, gel pen, blue pen, red pen, green pen, ink pen, rollerball pen, fountain pen, calligraphy pen. There is a color pen. There is fine liner
And
pen.
time's up. Oh my God, you actually managed 12 in 12 seconds. Well done, Praveen. And
Yeah.
it's actually anything
Thank
that you
you.
can
Yeah.
come up with. So you gave me all the colors, green, blue, red, green. That is so smart.
डॉग प्राइम सब बोलो डॉग प्राइम डाउनलोड करो डॉग प्राइम हेल्थ होगी ऑल टाइम फाइन हे ट्रिपर्स वेट ना करो डॉग प्राइम ऐप अभी डाउनलोड करो एनरोल्ड मेंबर्स के मेडिकल कार्ड्स एक क्लिक में देखो फ्री ऑनलाइन डॉक्टर कंसल्टेशन आज ही ले लो
Doc Prime Group Health Insurance का Prime Time. Download now.
Download the Doc Prime app today for complimentary online doctor consultations, health insurance claim support for cashless and reimbursement claims, and many more exclusive health benefits.
Doc Prime.
Hello, fellow trippers. This is Satish Mani, and you are listening to Go MMT Radio Headset Go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
गो MMT रेडियो पर शो का नाम है बधाई हो और हम बधाई देते हुए स्वागत कर रहे हैं प्रवीण कुमार का इनटू द ट्रिपर फैमिली इमर्शन इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम्स. इसके बारे में मुझे बताइए.
Firstly, it was very new when I came here that I need to go and attend 2 programs which will shape the rest of my journey in this company. It was literally very, very enjoyable, I would say. So I got to know about all the products, all the things that I can do, I can't do. And immersion was completely different experience, interacting with the leaders, getting to know their thoughts, sitting in their mind and thinking like how they think. So all these things were really interesting and some of the sessions were really, really good. The quality of questions that every other Go Tripper asked was really good and it was so insightful actually, and it gave me a clear path that what company is thinking and what we should also think towards the future and achieve it. So it was really helpful for both immersion and HO was really helpful, and I made a lot of friends there. So that is another advantage of this program. So it was really good.
That's good. An open environment, a growing environment, quite a progressive environment is what MMT offers you.
हंसा, मेडिसिन्स लेने गई थी. अलाइव वॉलेट यूज कर सकती हूँ?
हाँ, बस याद रहे डॉक्टर की वैलिड प्रिस्क्रिप्शन जरूर होनी चाहिए. और हाँ, अब किसी भी फार्मेसी या केमिस्ट शॉप से ले सकते हो.
परफेक्ट. तो अब मेडिसिन शॉपिंग भी फ्लेक्सिबल हो गई.
हेलो दोस्त, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार. मैं हूं द ग्रेट खाली. आप सुन रहे हैं गो MMT रेडियो.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
वी प्रवीण कुमार इज ऑन द शो विथ मी टुडे. होटल सप्लाई डिपार्टमेंट से हैं ये, बैंगलोर में बेस्ड हैं और ट्रिपर फैमिली में वेलकम कर रहे हैं हम. योर जॉब, योर रोल इन द होटल सप्लाई डिपार्टमेंट, टेल अस अबाउट इट.
So I'm currently as a senior business development manager. So I'm managing the most important area of Bangalore, South Bangalore, which is Martali, Bellandur, Hosur Road, and 2 other tier 2 cities. So this is the most important area in Bangalore because most of the corporates are here. So my role revolves around the business development more than the business development. It is where I need to educate partners, help them increase their business. That is the only aim, to make profit for them also and create profit for us also. So create a win-win situation is my role. As a market manager, I should take some decisions which will improve hotels' performance, at the same time will be profitable to us. So this is the basic role which I do, and there are so many other things which revolves around it. But the basic role is to help the partners grow. And at the same time ensure we are also growing.
That's amazing. So there's a lot of thinking you've got to do through the day, which I don't think you stop even after you go home.
It continues for the whole week, even in the weekends, but that has been the new normal now, so adapting to it.
And it's fun also, especially when you enjoy the job, you are happy coming up with new ideas, new thoughts, because when you get back on Monday, you have something to look forward to, because you want to, apply what you have thought of.
So learning is very, very high here, learning from others, learning from previous BDMs who work here. So all those things is really helping to grow.
रवि, आई नीड मेड्स। अलाइव वॉलेट का सीन क्या है?
सीन फुल सॉर्टेड, बस डॉक्टर की प्रिस्क्रिप्शन होना चाहिए और आप किसी भी फार्मेसी या केमिस्ट शॉप से ले सकती हो, इवन द वन नेक्स्ट टू द चाय पॉइंट।
लव दैट फॉर मी। Adulting just got easier.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है।
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie, and I'm in a conversation with Praveen Kumar. So the last game is called Ridiculously Easy Questions in 1 minute. Yeah, you think you can solve this?
We'll try.
You will try. Okay. All right. We are going to start the timer, and then I'll ask, and the faster you answer, the more questions you will be able to crack. Okay?
Okay.
And your time starts now.
The rapid fire round.
What is the largest planet in our solar system?
Largest planet in our solar system.
Come on. Tell me, do you have the answer?
Yeah, it is Saturn.
No,
Sorry,
wrong answer.
Saturn.
It is Jupiter. Let's go to the next one. How many legs does a spider have?
Spider say 6. Yeah.
No, it's 8. What do bees collect from flowers to make honey?
Bees collect the liquid.
Nectar. It's called nectar. I'll give it to you. What planet is known as the red planet? Red planet is Mars. What gas do we humans breathe?
We breathe oxygen.
All right. How many colors are there in a rainbow?
7.
All right. And your time's up. Out of about 8 questions, you got 5 of them right and 3 of them were wrong. But that is fine, Praveen, and wish you all the very best for the growth that you're looking at. May you learn a lot, grow a lot, and prosper immensely.
Thank you so much for your words.
Praveen Kumar on the show with me today. Badhai de rahe hain inhe, and he's now part of the Tripper family. This is Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie. With that, it's a wrap. I will be seeing you 2 days later with Jab Tech Hai Jaan. Till then, keep smiling and keep traveling.
रवि, बिल अपलोड्स किए क्या?
ऑलमोस्ट फॉरगॉट। रिएम्बर्समेंट विंडो ओपन है सिर्फ 1st of August से till 31st of August. Submit before deadline or cry later.
Say less. I'm uploading now. A live app, FTW.
Doc Prime, सब बोलो Doc Prime, डाउनलोड करो Doc Prime, हेल्थ होगी all time fine.
Hey trippers, wait ना करो, Doc Prime ऐप अभी डाउनलोड करो. Enrolled members के मेडिकल कार्ड्स एक क्लिक में देखो. फ्री ऑनलाइन डॉक्टर कंसल्टेशन आज ही ले लो.
Doc Prime Group Health Insurance का प्राइम टाइम. Download now, Doc Prime.
Download the Doc Prime app today for complimentary online doctor consultations, health insurance claim support for cashless and reimbursement claims, and many more exclusive health benefits.
Doc Prime.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.